How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your profile, then tap on Settings that is on the top right corner. Now from here, you need to scroll down to the very bottom until you see I need help. After you see it, you want to go ahead and tap on it. Here, you want to go to the search bar and search for My Eyes Only. As you do that, you will reach to the interface where there are different options. Here you want to scroll down and tap on I lost Snap that I have saved on My Eyes Only. There's one thing that you have to understand. Unfortunately, if you forgot your My Eyes Only passcode, then you can reset it. You will lose everything currently saved on My Eyes Only. Snapchat support will not be able to recover them for you. We respect Snapchatters' privacy, so if you have deleted a snap from My Eyes Only, our servers are designed to erase the snaps as soon as possible. So if you want to recover Snapchat Eyes Only photo if you have deleted it, you have to understand that you cannot do it. But however, if you have forgotten your password, you can scroll down and tap on I forgot my Eyes Only passcode. As you do that, you will enter to this interface where there will be instruction on how you can change your My Eyes Only password. So for that, you have to swipe left in Memories to My Eyes Only tab, tap on Option at the bottom, tap on Forgot Password, then do the further activity. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.